What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add video inside a frame in Canva. So the first thing you want to do guys is to find your frame. So simply click on elements and you want to type in frame. Once you type in frame, hit enter, you'll be able to find all of those frames. You can click on see all to see the frame, and all you have to do is just select a frame. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a frame. So let's choose this one here on the computer, right? And I'm going to go ahead and expand it to make it large. So let's say I want to use this frame. Now the next thing is to find your video, whether it's a video clip that you have or something from within Canva. You can go ahead and search for whatever. I'm going to just choose a random video right here of this one here, and then I'm going to drag that video right into the frame. So as you can see, I drag it onto the frame, then let it go, and as you can see, the video is playing right inside the frame. And that's all that you have to do guys. Very easy and very simple. No, it doesn't matter which frame you choose. I'm going to show you. It is so simple. Go ahead and go to the elements and find whatever frame that you want. I'm going to choose something else. Let's choose, for example, let's find, these are some words here. Let's choose this one, right? Or this one. It doesn't matter, whatever frame. Drag it right here. See the frame right here. And all I have to do is now find my video, right? So we find videos. If it's video that you upload in Canva, you can just simply go to upload, find your video, and if you have a video there, so let's take this one as an example. I'm going to drag this one because that's a video I upload, drag it into the frame, and that's it. The video is playing. And that's all there is to it, guys. If the video is too big, then the frame, you can always double click on it, and it's going to go ahead and give you the option to adjust it, so you can drag it across the way you want. So let's say I want it like that, so everything shows. Then I just need to click on done, and that's it. I can go ahead and I can play it, guys. Pretty easy, right? Hope you found this useful, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.